In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Avalanche C Chain to MetaMask. First, you will need to open MetaMask and unlock your wallet. When you open the app, you will be greeted by a clean interface. If you have set up a password, enter it to gain access. This step is crucial because it ensures that only you can access your assets. Once unlocked, you will see your account balance and other relevant information. This is the starting point for your transactions and network management. Next, tap or click the network selector, which is usually displayed as Ethereum mainnet at the top of the interface. This section allows you to switch between different blockchain networks. It is important to select the correct network for your intended transactions. By doing this, you are preparing to add a new network, which is essential for accessing Avalanche services. Now, select Add Network from the drop-down menu. This option allows you to include new blockchain networks into your MetaMask wallet. It is a straightforward process that expands the capabilities of your wallet. A new screen will appear with options for adding various networks. This step simplifies future transactions on different blockchains. From there, find Avalanche Network C Chain in the list. This network is specifically designed for the Avalanche blockchain, which operates differently than Ethereum. Locating it in the list ensures that you are selecting the correct network for your needs. Once you find it, tap or click Add. This action is vital because it officially registers the Avalanche network within your wallet. After that, review the details and select Approve. This step will display the network settings you just added. It is crucial to ensure everything is correct before proceeding. If everything looks good, approving will finalize the addition of the network. You will see a confirmation appear, reassuring you that the network has been successfully added. Now switch to the Avalanche Network C Chain. This is the moment when you can start utilizing the features of the Avalanche blockchain. By switching networks, you can begin making transactions that leverage Avalanche's unique capabilities. This is important because it opens up new opportunities for trading and interacting with decentralized applications. If you prefer a different method, let's move on to option 2, add the network manually. First, open MetaMask again. It's essential to start fresh so you can seamlessly navigate to the next steps. Make sure you are on the main interface where your accounts are displayed. This ensures you are ready to add the network manually without any distractions. Go to Networks and select Add Network, then choose Add a Network manually. This option provides a more hands-on approach to adding networks. It allows you to customize settings, which can be beneficial if you want to ensure accuracy. This method is especially useful if the network you need isn't listed in the automatic options. Now enter the following details. For network name, type Avalanche Network. This label helps you identify the network easily in the future. Next, for RPC URL, enter https://api.avax.network/xt/bc/c/rpc. This URL connects your wallet to the Avalanche network, making transactions possible. Continue by entering the chain ID, which is 43114. This unique identifier is essential for the network to function properly within your wallet. For the currency symbol, input AVAX. This will help you track your assets effectively. Lastly, for Block Explorer URL, enter https://snowtrace.io. This URL allows you to explore transactions on the Avalanche blockchain. After entering these details, tap or click Save. Finally, switch to the Avalanche network. This completes the process of adding the network manually. Now you can enjoy the benefits of the Avalanche blockchain directly in your MetaMask wallet. Remember, never share your MetaMask secret recovery phrase or private keys with anyone or any website. This helps keep your assets secure. You have now successfully added Avalanche C Chain to your MetaMask wallet, empowering your crypto experience.